The INSIGNIA F50 Series 4K Smart Fire TV delivers sharp 4K Ultra HD visuals with vibrant HDR colors for a cinematic experience. Powered by Fire TV, it gives fast access to all your favorite apps with smooth performance and voice control. What's in the box? In the box, you find the INSIGNIA F50 4K Smart Fire TV. TV base with screws. Voice remote. Remote batteries. Power cord.
And user manual.
How to use. To set up the INSIGNIA Fire TV, first connect the power cord and plug it into a power source, then insert batteries into the remote and turn on the TV. You will see the setup screen where you select your language and continue, making sure not to choose store mode. Next, connect the TV to a Wi-Fi network so it can check for and download the latest software updates. After updating, sign in with your Amazon account or create one if needed to unlock full Fire TV features. Then choose your preferred streaming apps for installation or skip this step. You can also decide whether to enable parental controls, skip newsletters, and optionally scan for TV channels. Finally, log into your profile. The setup process is complete and the TV is ready for use.
Smart features?
Delivers 3,840 by 2,160 pixels, offering 4 times the detail of Full HD for sharper and more lifelike visuals. It also enhances non-4K content by upscaling it closer to Ultra HD quality, making everything look clearer and more detailed. Enhances picture quality by delivering brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and a wider range of colors for more realistic visuals. It uses high dynamic range technology to improve contrast across the entire image, making both dark and bright scenes look more detailed and lifelike. Gives you instant access to thousands of apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Plus all in one place without needing extra devices. It also offers a smooth, user-friendly interface with personalized recommendations so you can quickly find and stream your favorite content. Lets you use voice commands to search for shows, launch apps, and control playback without using buttons. You can also ask Alexa to check the weather, control smart home devices, and more right from your remote. Delivers immersive, room-filling sound with enhanced depth and clarity, making movies and shows feel more cinematic. It creates a virtual surround sound experience without extra speakers, adding height and dimension to your audio.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the INSIGNIA F50 Series 4K Smart Fire TV from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your INSIGNIA F50 Series 4K Smart Fire TV. See you at the next one.